Hi, I'm Živojin Mikic and I work in Atlas Copco as a product manager. My main responsibility is the tools belonging to the quality assurance portfolio. Quality. For me, quality means safety, customer satisfaction, reliability, secure and controlled production process. And for this, we have a line of tools that we can offer. Benefits that controlling quality brings? There is quite a few of them. Let's say taking control and checking your tools. That will secure the increased uptime in your production. Definitely will decrease the number of defects. With the new tools and the new products that we have, you have a very nice user interface, easy to understand, easy to use, no problem for the operators. And with the new platforms, we bring a whole line of tools that are connected, that communicate with each other and gather all the information at one place, giving you a full overview of your production. So, questions? Well, every customer have a bit different questions. It's always somehow connected to what they do, to what their production is like, and it's almost always about some process or something in their production that they don't have full control of. And this is where Atlas Copco excels. With our product lineup, we can solve almost any problem that they can meet. And with the new QA 4.0 platform, with the introduction of visual and dimensional checks, we go beyond the world of torque. Okay, that's easy. QA 4.0 is bringing really new stuff that we did not have before in the quality control. And just look at the device. It's a tablet, very familiar to everybody, easy to use, interface, understandable. You take it in your hands, you know what to do. This device connected with everything else that we have for the quality of control, communicates with the software QA supervisor and giving the customer full overview of the quality in their factory. And this is what I like. If you're ready to move your production to the next level and be a part of the Industry 4.0, contact Atlas Copco.